What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everyone's having a great day. If it's your first time tuning in, please go down below, hit that like button, subscribe button, and also turn on the notification bell if you haven't already. Guys, we got a few little things to knock out around the house with the truck, well, the 350 at least. And yeah, just a few little things. We're gonna be doing a water line, running to the shop. We need to run that from the line coming off the house over there, one over here to the front of the shop, and then one on the back side for outdoor kitchen that we're gonna be putting in later on. So we're gonna do that. I got some Archoil in for the F350. I need to go ahead and put that in the oil. Now I normally do that, like that's normally like one of the first things I do. I did that with this truck. I think I ran Archoil twice. When I first got the truck, the initial oil change, and then I did it like a few thousand miles down the road, I did it again. And that truck runs and performs awesome. I've never had any problems out of it, injectors, anything. Knock on wood, imaginary wood. I don't want to start having any problems. I don't want to jinx myself, but never had any problems out of running Archoil in that truck. So we're gonna put some in this truck. I should have been did this. I didn't think I was going to need to, but I don't feel like I need to, but I think it's something I need, well, I should do, so let me say that. So we're gonna go ahead and dump a bottle of that in there. Guys, see, we got old Braden Price playing in the background. Love his channel, shout out to Braden Price. He makes some really good content. But yeah, you guys saw the TV, we got the TV up, the new 70-inch TV. But yeah, I'm trying to think of what else we gotta do today. I need to work on a few things, but probably won't do that. I wanna install the EGR probe on the 250, but I'll probably save that for a whole nother video and make that another video. So yeah, guys, I locked the key. Well, I'm gonna tell you guys after that, after I put this stuff in the truck. So let me set you guys up. We're gonna dump this Archoil in the truck. So I got the hood popped, so I get it. Engine bay is filthy. It definitely needs a bath, but a lot of this stuff's gonna be coming out, so I don't even want to clean it yet, because most of the stuff that needs to be cleaned is not gonna be in there. But yeah, guys, we got our Archoil here. Friction modifier. In my opinion, this stuff works. It really does work. Now, is it worth the money that it costs? I think I got this for $40. To be adding $40 extra to your oil change every time you do an oil change on your truck, it's a little pricey, in my opinion. I wish this stuff, if this stuff sold for maybe half the price, like 20 bucks a bottle, it'll probably be more reasonable. But $40 just, it's a, like, I don't know if it's, you know, if it's really worth it using this every oil change. So definitely something I think you probably should do every so often. Like I said, I did it twice in the 250, and I haven't done it yet ever since. I haven't done it since then. So I'm not saying it's something you need to do, but it's something you probably should look into doing every so often. What am I looking for? Oh, rag. Let me check my oil level in the truck. The truck is cold. It got pretty cold last night. It's pretty warm now, or it's warming up, should I say. It's not, it's still kind of cool, but it got down probably 40 something last night. It's not freezing cold, but it's pretty cold down here. We got good level. I'm probably gonna take out about 16 ounces of oil, just because we're putting this in on top, so I don't wanna, I'm sure I could probably dump this in there and not hurt anything. I just don't wanna chance it. So I'm gonna take out 16 ounces of oil, and then I'm gonna dump this in so our level stays about where it's at right now. So we got our old dirt bike oil change thing, so we can measure how much comes out of the truck. It's gonna fill it up to about right there. My finger is 16 fluid ounces. Now, we can do this pretty simple because we have the easy oil drain valve. Now, if we didn't have this, it would make doing this a lot harder. So, get you guys an easy oil drain valve or a full motor valve, whichever one you prefer. But I should be able to do this without making a mess. Let me see where 16 fluid ounces is. Right there, 16. Got a good color to it. It's pretty dark. So we just did it not long ago, so. That's a good bit of oil. I hate this truck being so low. I hate getting under it. It freaking sucks. We're gonna do 15. Play it safe, because this looks like a lot more oil that's in that than that's what in that thing in the container. Alright, so we got our 16 fluid ounces out of the truck, and we're just gonna replace it with 16 ounces of Archoil. I'm gonna go right into where we fill our oil normally. I really kind of want to put it straight into where the oil filter is, but I'll just dump it into the oil fill where we fill the oil up with. See if I can do this without making a mess. I don't want to grab a funnel. Archoil has a freaking beautiful looking color. Oh yeah. Now we're gonna start the truck up, do a few heat cycles on it. I'm probably gonna drive this truck all day today, do my errands and stuff, and yeah, let it work its way through the engine and do its thing. And I have no doubt that it's gonna do what it's supposed to do, but I'll keep you guys posted on the results. But we're gonna move on to our next project, or whatever else we have to do today. So we are headed on our way to pick up some paint. You guys know we got the headlights and the new tail lights and possibly a new grill gonna be coming in soon. So we already got the headlights and tail lights, so I'm gonna go ahead and get the paint so we can go ahead and get everything prepped and ready to paint, so we can get everything thrown on this 350 and get it on its out its way so we can knock some stuff out. And that's one more step closer to the next project that we have to do. So that's what we're doing. On the way to get the paint now. I'm gonna pick it up, probably pick up with you guys when we get back to the house. I need to stop by Harbor Freight, pick up a new spray gun. They got a new one that I want to try, so I'm gonna go ahead and go pick that up, and I'll probably stop at a few other places, but who knows. We're just basically running errands and doing a few little things at the house. So I'm gonna catch up with you guys when we make it back. What's up, guys? So we are back, tearing up the yard once again. We're trying to run the water line now for the shop. I'm not sure if you guys haven't seen already, when we originally did the plumbing and the water lines for the bathroom that we were going to put in the shop originally, before we poured the slab. I did all that and ran everything, and I ran PEX. I'm kind of biting myself in the you know what right now, because I shouldn't have done PEX. PEX is good in house uses. I thought it was gonna be a pretty good idea to run to the shop. It was gonna be easy, but I'm actually spending double money now because I'm running PVC. And the reason I'm running PVC now is PEX. To go from PEX to like PVC requires a special fitting, and the only fittings they make that I know of are hot water pipe adapters. So that means you can't use regular PVC, you gotta use hot water PVC pipe. With that being said, the way I want to run it, I would spend more money trying to get the little fittings and adapters and stuff to go from PEX to PVC, and it would be just another headache that's really avoidable if I just run PVC. So what I'm doing now, I'm digging it up. Frost line in Louisiana is 4 inches below the surface. So that being said, this trench right now is about roughly about 16 inches deep. So that'll give me enough room to place the pipe down in and still give me 4-inch buffer from the frost line. So that's what we're doing. I got regular PVC. This is 1.5 inches. No, this is 1/2 inch. I'm sorry. PVC. I was gonna do 3/4, but then I was like, 3/4 might rob the flow of water from my hose right here. So I'm going 1/2 inch. I think 1/2 inch, that'll be plenty enough water flow to feed what we're gonna be feeding. And yeah, so basically I'm gonna tee off from here, from my little adapter here. Got a Y fitting. I'm gonna run it like a little flex hose down to PVC right here. PVC is gonna go here just like this. It's gonna split right here. One's gonna go to the front side of the garage where I just showed you, and then one's gonna go here. Now, the reason I'm running it here is I plan on putting an outdoor like kitchen area right here on the side of the shop. So that's gonna be our water for our sink and whatever else we need water for right there. And I'm also gonna be running a drain probably before we pour the concrete, whenever that time comes. But I'm gonna put like a French drain right here on this section right here, so I can wash the cars and the trucks and all the water drain right there, and it'll drain out to the back of the property. So that's gonna be later on. I'm not gonna do that now. All we're trying to do right now is put our PVC for our water and run our water. So yeah, I got a few elbows, a few 90s, a T, and yeah, just basic little stuff like that. It's really not hard. I'm really about to start pacing it, putting everything together in just a minute. It's gonna take me literally probably 10-15 minutes to put all this together, put it back, and cover it up. It'll probably take me longer to make this video than it's gonna take me to put this stuff in. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, comment down below. I know I'm gonna have some people that are plumbers or whatever gonna comment down below that I'm not doing this something right, or not doing this right, or blah blah blah. Whatever. This is gonna work for me. I don't have to get it disinspected at all where I'm at, so it really doesn't matter. All I'm going for is functionality, and I don't want my water lines to bust when it gets cold. So I know I need to be at least 4 inches below the surface, and yeah, that's all we need, guys. We gotta go ahead, put this stuff in the ground. I gotta finish digging this trench right here from here to here real quick, and yeah, we'll be ready to put it in the ground.
I'm on the motherfucker. Go back in there and chill the niggas out. stacks in the lab. Back in my pad, take a trip with the track, maybe pop you a tab. We was down for whatever. Yellow street lights in the darkest the weather. I can mask in the night, it's the rain with the terror. Pain in my eyes with the darkest endeavors. All the softness was severed. Cut it all off with the sharpest of scissors. I got pain in the brain, now my taste buds bitter. Fuck God, I'm as mindless as can be. Cause tonight I'ma make the city bleed. I don't make a song cry, I make it scream. With a knife to the chest like Halloween. Swear it's too high in hell for capping. Fuck with a nigga the wrong way, it might get tragic. Won't see your face on the program pamphlets. Your homeboys trying to stand up to me, they just stand-ins who stand out for bad acting. I'm straight laughing. Niggas gotta face facts, man, in my opinion. These niggas that's behind me don't wanna hear it. Your one false move can turn you to a spirit. Hear this, I'm dead to myself.